Hello everyone, welcome back to Zara Ki Dunya. In today's video, I'm going to share how to prepare a hot and sour veg soup at home like restaurant style. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching. To begin with this, I have taken salt as per taste, 1.5 tablespoon black pepper powder, 1.5 tablespoon red chili powder, 2 tablespoon chili sauce, 1 tablespoon soya sauce. To make slurry, I have taken 2 tablespoon cornstarch and 4 tablespoon water, 2 tablespoon chopped garlic, half cup spring onions chopped, half cup chopped cabbage, 1 cup French beans and 1 tablespoon ginger paste. Let's begin. I have taken 1.5 tablespoon oil. I have added 2 tablespoon chopped garlic. Fry it until medium brown. Now I am going to add 1 cup of French beans to the mixture. Let's fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Keep frying, and the next thing that I'm going to add is 1 tablespoon ginger paste. Let's give it a good toss so that the raw smell of ginger goes away and the ginger paste gets mixed well with the vegetables added there. Next, I'm going to add the half cup of cabbage, chopped cabbage. Give it a nice toss so that it gets mixed with the ginger as well. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, one tablespoon soy sauce, and give it a nice mix. Let the sauces get cooked for about 1 minute. Next, I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoon chili powder. This will also depend on your taste. 1.5 tablespoon black pepper powder. This creates the hot and sour kind of sense, adds the spices to the sauce. Give them a nice mix and let them cook for about 1 minute or 2. Next, I'm going to add salt as per taste. This is because the sauces will already have salt in them, so add a little salt to this. The sauces and vegetables added have been cooked really well, and now I'm going to add 3 glasses of water to this, and we will keep this for boiling for about 5 minutes. The vegetables are cooked and have been boiled really well. The mixture is come out really well. Next, I'm going to add half cup of chopped spring onions to this. We are not going to cook the spring onions on a lot. Next, I'm going to add the cornstarch slurry that we had prepared earlier. 2 tablespoon cornstarch plus 4 tablespoon of water. This will make our soup a bit thicker and gives a glossy finish to it. Let it cook for about 1 or 2 minutes on low flame. Once you see the consistency of the soup gets thicker than before, then we can turn off the flame. Here is our soup ready to be served. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section if you have liked it. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.